Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 must-visit places in 2025. Our planet is teeming with extraordinary landscapes, vibrant cultures, and unforgettable experiences. From ancient cities steeped in history to natural wonders that will take your breath away, this year's list promises to inspire your wanderlust. Get ready to explore some of the most breathtaking destinations around the globe. We'll journey from the snow-capped peaks of the Canadian Rockies to the sun-drenched beaches of the South Pacific. We'll encounter unique wildlife, marvel at architectural masterpieces, and immerse ourselves in the rich tapestry of human civilization. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be amazed as we unveil our top 10 must-visit places in 2025. Each destination offers a unique glimpse into the beauty and diversity of our planet, promising unforgettable memories for every traveler. Let us begin our journey of discovery. Our journey begins in the heart of Japan, in the ancient city of Kyoto. This city, once the capital of Japan for over 1,000 years, is a treasure trove of history and culture. Kyoto is renowned for its classical Buddhist temples, as well as its gardens, imperial palaces, Shinto shrines, and traditional wooden houses. It is a city that has managed to preserve its rich heritage while embracing the modern world. Here, amongst the towering skyscrapers and neon lights, lies a world of tranquil temples, traditional tea houses, and serene gardens. These places offer a peaceful retreat from the bustling city life, allowing visitors to step back in time and experience the elegance and simplicity of traditional Japanese culture. The tea houses in particular are a testament to the art of tea ceremony, a practice that has been perfected over centuries. Kyoto is a city where the past and present exist in perfect harmony, offering a glimpse into the soul of Japan. The juxtaposition of historical and modern architecture is a sight to behold. Walking through the streets, you can see ancient temples standing proudly next to contemporary buildings, each telling its own story. This blend of old and new creates a unique atmosphere that is both nostalgic and forward-looking. Spring transforms Kyoto into a sea of pink as cherry blossoms known as sakura bloom across the city. The sight of these delicate flowers in full bloom is nothing short of magical. The cherry blossoms symbolize the transient nature of life, a concept deeply rooted in Japanese culture. As the petals fall, they create a beautiful, ephemeral scene that captivates the hearts of all who witness it. This fleeting spectacle draws visitors from around the globe, eager to witness the ethereal beauty of these delicate flowers. People come to Kyoto not just to see the cherry blossoms, but to participate in hanami, the traditional custom of enjoying the transient beauty of flowers. During this time, the city is filled with a festive atmosphere, with locals and tourists alike celebrating under the blooming trees. Families gather beneath the blossoming trees for picnics, their laughter echoing through the ancient streets. Hanami is a time for family and friends to come together, share food and drinks, and appreciate the fleeting beauty of the cherry blossoms. It is a tradition that has been passed down through generations, a reminder of the importance of cherishing the present moment. As you stroll through the serene bamboo forest of Arashiyama or witness the grace of a geisha in the Gion district, you'll be transported back in time. The bamboo groves, with their towering stalks swaying gently in the breeze, create a tranquil and otherworldly atmosphere. Meanwhile, the geisha, with their elegant kimonos and refined manners, offer a glimpse into a world of tradition and artistry that has been preserved for centuries. The scent of incense hangs heavy in the air as you explore ancient temples like Kinkakuji, its golden reflection shimmering on the water. These temples are not just places of worship, but also architectural masterpieces that showcase the skill and craftsmanship of their builders. The serene surroundings and the spiritual ambience make these temples a perfect place for reflection and meditation. Kyoto is a city that nourishes the soul, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with the beauty of tradition. Whether you are meditating in a traditional Japanese garden, strolling through ancient streets, or simply enjoying the serene landscapes, Kyoto offers a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. It is a city that invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and appreciate the simple pleasures of life. We journey now from the ancient temples of Japan, where history and tradition blend seamlessly with the natural beauty of cherry blossoms and serene landscapes, to the dramatic landscapes of Iceland, a land forged by fire and ice. This island nation, with its stark contrasts and raw beauty, offers a unique glimpse into the power of nature. Here, amidst glaciers and volcanoes, lies Reykjavik, a city that embodies the raw beauty and untamed spirit of this Nordic nation. The capital city is a blend of modernity and tradition, where cutting-edge architecture stands alongside historic buildings. Reykjavik, meaning smoky bay in Icelandic, is a city where geothermal energy heats homes and powers greenhouses even during the long winter months. This sustainable energy source is a testament to Iceland's commitment to environmental stewardship. The air is incredibly clean, carrying the faint scent of sulfur from the nearby hot springs, a constant reminder of the powerful forces that shape this land. The pristine environment is a source of pride for the locals, who work tirelessly to preserve it. As you wander through the city's colorful streets, you'll be struck by the warmth and friendliness of its inhabitants. The vibrant street art and cozy cafes create a welcoming atmosphere that invites exploration. Despite the often harsh climate, Icelanders possess a joie de vivre that is infectious. Their resilience and positive outlook are evident in the numerous outdoor activities and community events that take place year-round. Perhaps it's the abundance of natural beauty that surrounds them, or the close-knit community that thrives in this remote corner of the world. The connection to nature is deeply ingrained in the Icelandic way of life, influencing everything from their cuisine to their cultural traditions. But it is the promise of the aurora borealis, the northern lights, that draws many to Reykjavik. This natural light display, with its vibrant colors dancing across the night sky, is a breathtaking spectacle that leaves a lasting impression on all who witness it. The northern lights are a reminder of the magic and mystery that Iceland holds, making Reykjavik a truly enchanting destination. From the vibrant streets of the Boka up to the majestic heights of Table Mountain, Cape Town is a city of contrasts and breathtaking beauty. Known affectionately as the Mother City, Cape Town welcomes visitors with open arms and a spirit of adventure. Here, the mighty Atlantic Ocean crashes against the dramatic slopes of Lion's Head, while the iconic Table Mountain presides over the bustling city below. A tapestry of cultures, cuisines and landscapes, Cape Town is a feast for the senses. The air is alive with the scent of spices from the Bow Cup, a historic neighborhood known for its brightly colored houses and rich Cape Malay heritage. From the bustling V and a waterfront to the serene Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens, Cape Town offers a kaleidoscope of experiences. Deep within the heart of the Canadian Rockies lies a land of unparalleled beauty and grandeur, Banff National Park. This majestic expanse of wilderness is a sanctuary for those seeking solace in nature's embrace. The park's vast landscapes are a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of Canada, offering a glimpse into a world where nature reigns supreme. Here, towering peaks pierce the sky, their snow-capped summits reflected in the pristine waters of glacial lakes. These lakes, with their crystal-clear waters, mirror the grandeur of the mountains, creating a scene of breathtaking symmetry. The serene beauty of these reflections is a reminder of the tranquility that can be found in the heart of the wilderness. Established in 1885, Banff National Park is Canada's oldest national park and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its rich history is woven into the fabric of the land, with stories of exploration and conservation that have shaped its legacy. The park's designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site underscores its global significance and the need to preserve its natural wonders for future generations. It's a vast wilderness of soaring mountains, emerald forests, and turquoise lakes teeming with life. The diverse ecosystems within the park are home to a myriad of wildlife, from majestic elk and grizzly bears to elusive lynxes and playful otters. Each species plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of this natural paradise. Perhaps the most iconic sight in Banff is Lake Louise, its glacial waters shimmering like a jewel against the backdrop of Mount Victoria and the Victoria Glacier. This stunning lake, with its vibrant turquoise hue, is a focal point for visitors, offering a perfect setting for reflection and inspiration. The surrounding peaks and glaciers add to this lake's ethereal beauty, making it a must-see destination within the park. The Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise, a grand hotel perched on the lake's edge, adds a touch of human history to this natural masterpiece. This historic hotel has welcomed guests for over a century, offering a luxurious retreat amidst the rugged wilderness. Its elegant architecture and prime location make it a beloved landmark, blending seamlessly with the surrounding natural beauty. But Banff is more than just scenery. It's a place of adventure and discovery, where visitors can immerse themselves in a wide range of outdoor activities. From hiking and canoeing to skiing and wildlife watching, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The park's diverse landscapes provide endless opportunities for exploration and recreation. It's a place to reconnect with nature, to breathe in the fresh mountain air, and to lose yourself in the immensity of the Canadian wilderness. Whether you're seeking solitude or adventure, Banff National Park offers a sanctuary where you can find peace and inspiration. The park's timeless beauty and serene landscapes invite you to slow down, reflect, and appreciate the wonders of the natural world. Rising dramatically from the azure waters of the Aegean Sea, Santorini is a vision of whitewashed houses, blue-domed churches, and breathtaking sunsets. This volcanic island, shaped by a cataclysmic eruption thousands of years ago, is a destination that captures the imagination. The island's most recognizable feature is its caldera, a flooded volcanic crater surrounded by towering cliffs. Perched on these cliffs are the villages of Oia and Fira, their whitewashed houses cascading down the slopes like sugar cubes. The narrow streets of Oia are a photographer's dream, lined with charming boutiques, art galleries, and cafes with stunning views. As the sun begins to set, the sky explodes in a riot of colors, casting a golden glow over the whitewashed buildings and the Aegean Sea. From the snow-capped peaks of the Southern Alps to the deep glacial waters of Lake Wakatipu, Queenstown is a landscape sculpted by forces both ancient and powerful. Here on the South Island of New Zealand, adventure is not just a pursuit, it's a way of life. For thrill-seekers, Queenstown is a siren's call. Imagine plummeting towards the earth at breakneck speeds, the wind screaming past as you bungee jump from dizzying heights, or perhaps the rush of white water rafting through canyons carved over millennia, the roar of the river echoing in your ears. But adventure takes many forms. A leisurely hike through ancient beech forests, the air thick with the scent of damp earth and native birdsong, can be just as exhilarating. Deep within the Jordanian desert, concealed within a labyrinth of sandstone canyons, lies a testament to human ingenuity and artistry. This is Petra, the lost city, a place where history whispers from every rock and echoes through the ages. Carved directly into the sheer rock face by the Nabateans, an ingenious trading people, Petra was once a bustling metropolis. Imagine caravans laden with silk and spices traversing treacherous desert routes, converging on this vital crossroads of the ancient world. The most iconic monument, Al-Kazne, known as the Treasury, stands as a magnificent gateway to the city. Its intricate facade, sculpted with such precision and detail, has captivated travelers for centuries. As you walk through the Sikh, a narrow gorge leading to the city, anticipation builds with each step. The walls, rising hundreds of feet above, seem to close in, shrouding Petra in an atmosphere of mystery and wonder. In the heart of the South Pacific, surrounded by a turquoise lagoon teeming with marine life, lies an island paradise unlike any other. This is Bora Bora, a vision of unparalleled beauty, where lush green peaks pierce the sky and the air is thick with the scent of tropical flowers. Imagine waking to the gentle lapping of waves against your overwater bungalow, the sun rising over the iconic Mount Otemanu, painting the sky in a riot of colors. This is Bora Bora, a place where dreams become reality and everyday life fades into a distant memory. Slip into the crystal-clear waters, teeming with colorful fish and graceful rays. Dive beneath the surface where coral gardens explode in a kaleidoscope of colors, home to an astonishing array of marine creatures. Bora Bora is a sanctuary for both the body and soul. High in the Andes Mountains of Peru, shrouded in clouds and mystery, lies Machu Picchu. This ancient Incan citadel, often called the Lost City of the Incas, is a testament to a civilization that thrived centuries ago. Rediscovered by Hiram Bingham in 1911, it has captivated the world with its remarkable preservation and breathtaking setting. The Incas, renowned for their mastery of architecture and engineering, constructed this city without the use of mortar. The stones, some weighing over 50 tons, were meticulously cut and fitted together with such precision that a knife blade cannot be inserted between them. This remarkable feat, achieved without the use of modern tools, is a testament to the ingenuity of the Incan people. Machu Picchu's location, perched high on a ridge between two towering peaks, is as strategic as it is awe-inspiring. The Amalfi Coast, a breathtaking stretch of coastline along Italy's Sorrentine Peninsula, has been captivating travelers for centuries, with its dramatic cliffs plunging into turquoise waters, pastel-colored villages clinging precariously to the hillsides, and a rich history steeped in myth and legend. It is a place that truly captures the imagination. Legend has it that the Amalfi Coast was named for a nymph, beloved by Hercules, who was buried here by the gods. Whether or not the tale is true, there is an undeniable allure to this coastline. The scent of lemon groves mingles with the salty sea air, and the sound of fishing boats returning with their catch echoes through the harbours. Each village along the Amalfi Coast has its own unique character and charm. From the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu to the sun-kissed shores of the Amalfi Coast, we've explored some of the most remarkable destinations our planet has to offer. Each location, with its own unique charm and allure, offers a chance to connect with different cultures, marvel at natural wonders, and create unforgettable memories. Thanks for joining us on this journey around the world. We hope we've inspired you to dust off your passport, pack your bags, and embark on your own adventure. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.